Hello friends, I am Anak Roy from My Digital Medium. Today we are going to talk about TCL LED TVs. As you all know, TCL is an eminent player in the LED TV market. They are the second largest TV brand all over the world in terms of sales. TCL has come with their 2021 LED TV range in India. The P725 series of TVs are India's first Android 11 TVs. The series comes with 4 TVs starting from 43-inch and going up to 65-inch. The main focus of the company with these smart TVs are connectivity. All of these 4 TVs comes with camera built in and also with dual band Wi-Fi plus HDMI 2.1. These are the great features to have in today's connected life, right? The TVs are looking great. As with the earlier TCL TVs, these has also got near bezel-less design. Just the bottom has some bezels with TCL branding in it. Back of the TVs are made out of plastic with pyramid design in it. The company is claiming that pyramid design will give the TVs some rigidity. They have a metal frame for sturdiness. But surprisingly, the TVs are comparatively lighter in weight. The 65-inch model weighs 17.3 kg with stand. One complaint from my side is all the ports are kept almost at the middle of the TV, so it is very painful to reach out for them. Earlier, TCL smart TVs used to come with 2 remote controls, but now they have integrated the smart features into one, and the remote comes with hotkeys like Netflix, Z5, Prime Videos in it. They also comes with 2 metal stand and wall mounting inside the box. TCL smart TVs in India comes with Android OS. Now they have partnered with Google and work deeply to bring more wholesome experience to you. The TVs not only come with the latest Android 11 but also with Google Voice Assistant with a dedicated hotkey in the remote and Play Store in it. Now let's dive a bit deeper and know some more about these TVs. So these are all 4K UHD smart LED TVs and there is no OLED or QLED tech in it. The panels of the TVs are of 60 Hz, but all the TVs comes with MEMC technology, so it makes the picture processing silky smooth as per TCL. The response time is 15 ms, so it is not so fast as the flagships. One thing to mention here is that in the launch event, the company said that the TVs will produce 93% DCI P3 color gamut, but the website shows the color gamut of 75% or above. There is no local dimming, instead, they have got micro dimming feature. At least something to live with. All the TVs comes with Dolby Vision and HDR10, so you will enjoy watching Netflix and Prime videos. One this On this note, if you are enjoying this video, please press the like button, and if you love to watch this kind of informative videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's talk about sound now. These TVs are Dolby Atmos and DTS supported. They got two 12-watt downfiring speakers. Also nothing special there. You have to purchase a sound system to get a rich experience. In the processing front, the TVs comes with TCL's proprietary quad-core AIPQ engine. As per the company, the chipset processes content real time. It detects the environment and upscales the picture and the sound. It also optimizes picture and the audio as per the content. The RAM size of the TVs are 2 GB and the ROM is 16 GB. Oh, also one thing I forgot to add is that it has dual core GPU. Talking of connectivity, as I have said earlier, this is the main area of focus by the company. So the TVs comes with company's proprietary hands-free voice control version 2.0. What it does is earlier also you can interact with the TVs through voice command. Now it has got four microphones, so it will catch your voice more prominently. It will be much easier to interact with the TVs. So all in all, now you can turn your TV into your workstation or into your family get together or friends reunion with the inbuilt camera where you all add up to 32 people and these hands-free voice control. These TVs are really rich in connectivity as they have Bluetooth 5.0, dual band Wi-Fi, one RJ45 port, one 3. USB 3.0, two HDMI 2.0, AV input, RF input, and three more rare features in connectivity, especially in this price point. One is EARC support, one is HDMI 2.1, and CEC to control all your devices connected through HDMI with one remote. So friends, as you have seen in this video, these TVs are well spec'd. The price of these TVs are a bit on the higher side in the segment. The 43-inch comes in 41,990, 50-inch comes in rupees 56,990, 55-inch comes in rupees 62,990, and the 65-inch comes in rupees 89,990 respectively. But one thing we have to keep in mind is that these TVs comes with many segment fasts. This is just a preview, so wait for my full review and verdict. That's all for today. See you on the next video. Stay safe, stay updated.